using MedChat application. I am Ishaq Nuriadin as the moderator at this event. Before we start this event, let's pray Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I want to tell you about the schedule today. Our material, discussion, and conclusion. Today's program was filled by two presenters. The first material is Derivative by Mianzali Triunita. To Mianzali Triunita, time is yours.
Okay, everybody, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mianzali Trinita. I was the speaker of Derivative Mathematics to the app MedCat. I will explain how to do a derivative in the application of MedCat. I'll give you two examples of doing two derivatives. Let's start it. Okay, in here I will give an example of derivative. Example number 1, derivative of x squared plus b, and then you click evaluate symbolically and we have the result 2x. Okay, and then I have example number 2. Wait, in here I given in the function limit to x plus 1 for x approached 1, you click evaluate symbolically and we have the result 3. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mianzali Triunita, of your material. Now, the second material is Integral by Indah Pravidya. To Indah Pravidya, time is yours.
Hello friend, I would like to introduce myself. I am Indah Pravidya and now I will explain how to do integral in the application MedChat. And now I want to give an example of doing integral in the MedChat application. So let's start it. For example, fx is x times sin x. And we put integral fx, then we click the evaluate symbolically and we have the result. And same with fx is ln x, thus the result will be different. If fx is n times 1 divided x, so the result is ln times 1 divided x times x plus x. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Indah Pravidya, of the material. Now it's time to do discussion. From the explanation of the two material, can anyone mention the use of MedChat in everyday life? Me! Okay. Yes, you?
I want to give an example integral in real life. Integral can be used to help in engineering, medical science, physics, statistics, graph, and in medical science, calculus used to help doctors and lawyers to build the discipline necessary for solving complex problems such as diagnosing patients or planning a prosecution case.
Good. Anyone again? Okay, you?
I will give an example derivative in biology. Derivatives are used to model population growth, ecosystems, spread of disease, and various phenomena. The area that I will focus particularly is population growth. Suppose n is f times t is the number of individuals of some species of animal or plant population at time t.
Okay, thank you for your answer. Okay, everyone, time is the conclusion. Conclusion is math can be used to solve everyday problems in several fields. For derivative, such as population growth, and for integral, such as how build the discipline necessary for complex problem solving. That's for all. Sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.